Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create a target field on a target object. The reason you need to create target fields is simply in Rollup Helper, when you start the Rollup Helper wizard, you'll have to pick a target object. In this case, I want to do a rollup to the account object, and you'll need to select a target field, which is in step 2, on the account object or any object that you're working with to be able to roll up the results into. Normally, when you scan this list, you may find a field that you want to use, but in most cases for a new rollup, you're going to need to create a new target field to store the results of your rollup. In order to do this, we'll use standard Salesforce configuration to be able to get to the menu screens to create a custom field. So what we'll do is click on your name, go into Setup, and if you're doing this with a custom object, you'll find the option here under Create, and then Objects, and then select your object to view the field list and create a new field. But I'll show you the standard way, which is under App Setup Customize, being able to select a standard object such as accounts, drill into the fields link to be able to see all the standard fields and the custom fields. And from here we can click the new button to create a new custom field, which will be used and selected as our target field in Rollup Helper. So it's very important to select the appropriate data type for your rollup. If you want to do a concatenation rollup, you'll want to make sure that you select the text area field. If you're just doing something that's going to effectively function as a counter or summing up the number of values that you have in another number field on a source object, you'll want to select number. If you're working with currencies, you'll want to select currency. So for this example, since we're summing up the closed opportunity amounts from opportunities, we'll want to select the currency data type. And by selecting this data type, you're actually also going to be helping Rollup Helper to determine which data types to display in the source field, which will be covered in another video, but it's very important that you understand that when you select the data type here, you're actually going to be helping Rollup Helper in pre-filtering your list of source fields as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next here. And from this page, you can just name your rollup field. So I'm going to just call it Closed One Opportunity Total. And you can adjust the length in decimal places if you want. Just make sure that whatever you're storing, whatever values you expect to store and display, you have space for them both in terms of length and decimal places. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And this target field, you'll want to make sure that if you want to display it, have accessible to reports and page layouts, that you pick the correct page layout, or profile, to be able to have access to this field, as well as being able to pick the page layout that you want this to be accessible on. So go ahead and click Save here when we're done with this wizard, and that's all we needed to do to add the target field as a custom field in our Salesforce org, and now you can see that it will show up in the Rollup Helper wizard on step 2. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to log a question on our customer portal. Thank you.